Hey there everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how you can get Microsoft Office 365 for very cost effective price. So here you can see, if I go to setting, if I go here in home and if I scroll down, it says Microsoft 365 personal. And when I click on manage subscription, this is the amount that I am paying, which translates to around $35 or $36 for an year, which is really cheap than what generally Microsoft sell it. So why I am getting this kind of price? Well, the thing is, I use Microsoft Office in my office. And just because of that, Microsoft provide 35% discount for those users who use Microsoft Office in their office. So all you need to do is you need to look for Microsoft 35% discount for office users. And this is more of Microsoft Workplace discount program. So simply click on it. And then here you need to enter your Office ID and need to verify that. Once you do that, you become eligible to get additional discount. Alright, when we talk about the regular price of Office, it is the following. But when we apply discount to it, you can see the price, it is almost half of what we are paying. So that's how guys we can get additional discount directly from Microsoft. So there is no reseller involved. We are getting this discount directly from Microsoft website. And if you also want to avail the same, I'm gonna provide you this direct link in the description of this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such office productivity content, and I will get you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.